As you know, we are beginning a new unit of study in our nature study on animals. We are studying about monkeys this quarter. So for the next 3 months, we are studying about different monkeys. Today we will have a video that will give us general information about all monkeys. And then we will go into, each week we'll have a different monkey that we'll study about, just like we did with the penguins. We're not going to have time to go through all 270 different types of monkeys, but we will cover as many as we possibly can. Now, last week I told you that I had a favorite one that I thought was most beautiful. And remember, I said this is just my opinion. And it is called the red-shanked duke. And I'm going to give you a sneak peek of the red-shanked duke at the end of the program today. And then next week, we will study about this wonderful monkey in detail. So be sure to stay tuned to the end of the program today to get a sneak peek of this guy. And then next week, we'll learn about him in detail. So I'll see you after the video on monkeys.